Echo Lima, roger, clear behind, left over time to your discretion, 060 degrees, 5 knots. When ready, cross with caution due to workman 08 and depart Bravo.
Roger, lifting and crossing with caution, departing Bravo, helicopter Echo Lima.
Okay.
Helicopter Echo Lima, crossing and departing Bravo.
Roger.
Autumn colours.
Helicopter Echo Lima at South Nims QSY, Heathrow 125.625.
2565, see you later, Jack.
Speak to you later. Heathrow radar, good afternoon. Helicopter Golf India Charlie Echo Lima requesting a basic service zone transit.
Golf India Charlie Echo Lima, Heathrow, I'll pass your message.
Golf India Charlie Echo Lima, Robinson R66 helicopter from Elstree to Elstree, currently just south of Potter's Bar, 1100 requesting a VFR zone transit, Isle of Dogs, then H4 westbound to Vauxhall Bridge and reciprocal, exiting back to the north, helicopter Echo Lima.
Echo Lima, squawk 7030 and the QNH is 1024.
7030 1024, helicopter Echo Lima.
Covered Charlie Echo Lima, you're cleared to enter London City Zone, VFR, not above 1,500 feet. Down the Lee Valley, your clearance limit initially is the Olympic Park.
Roger, clear to enter VFR, not above 1,500, initial clearance to Olympic Park, helicopter Echo Lima.